Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. Today I will be going to teach Revit structure. Actually, in my previous videos I have taught about Revit architecture. So today I will be going to start about Revit structure. So let me first start the software Revit structure. Actually, both the softwares are same. That is, both are Revit. So in the Revit software itself, there are the two divisions, that is you can do Revit architecture as well as Revit structure, as well as along with that there is another thing, that is Revit MEP, mechanical, electrical and plumbing. Okay, so in my course today I will be telling about Revit structures. So just wait till the software gets loaded. So as the software is now opened, now you have to click on new model, and here there are various templates are present, like architectural, mechanical, construction and structural template is also present. But you have to simply go to the browse option, and after going to the browse option, I will be doing all the things as in metric unit. So I will be going there to the metric unit. After going to the metric unit, I will be selecting the structural analysis default metric. I will open it. So as you can see here, this is the view of the structural. As you can see here, earlier in the Revit architecture part, there used to be only the floor plans, but here there used to be the structural plans, as you can see here. Because in Revit architecture there is floor plans, but here there will be architectural plans. Then first one is level 1, then level 2 analytical. This is the new thing present here. I will teach you what is the difference between level 1 and level 1 analytical, then level 2 as well as level 2 analytical. Okay, so first let me do one thing. Let me go to the elevation and first let me set the levels such as level 1 is, let me set the level here. Write the name of the level by double clicking it as the ground level, this is the ground level. Then let me set here as the first floor, and as the height is 3000, I will set the height as 3500. Okay, after that, now as I have went to the north elevation, now I will click in this levels and I will create another levels. I will click in the levels and I will go here, pick lines, and after that I will set the offset of 3500. After giving the offset of 3500, as you can see here, after moving the mouse over this line, it will show you where the level will be created. It will be created in the upper portion. Sometimes, as you can see here, now the line is shown in the downward portion. It means level will be created in the down portion. First you have to simply move over the line and you have to check where the level will be created. As my level will be created here, now I have to left click it. So this is the new level created. So this is the first floor, this is the second floor. Now let me create another floor, third floor, and this is the fourth. Okay, my level is now created in the below. As you can see here, level 4, level 5, here level 3 is also present. So simply place Ctrl Z. Now again click it here, 3500. Yeah, level 5 now created. Now I need to create a foundation level at a depth of 1500. So I will click here below a 1500 level. So 1500 is the level of the foundation. So now I need to press the escape button twice. After that I will write down here as this is the foundation level. So I have created the foundation level. After that let me give the foundation level as 2000 because it's a tall building. 2000, I've changed it to 2000. Then the ground floor, first floor, then right here as second floor, then after that give here as second floor, then third floor. After this is the third floor. Then let me give here as the Mumty level. What is the Mumty level? Actually the Mumty level is the level where a small house is created over the staircase in order to only provide the shade to the staircase so that rainfall does not go inside the staircase, because if the rainfall falls in the staircase, then it will go to the subsequent level as well. So this is the Mumty level. So let me provide the Mumty level at not 3500 above the top floor. Let me create this one at a height of only 3000. So these are my levels created. After that, as you can see here in the north, everything is now created. Even I can click it here and I can move by simply selecting it here. I can move all the levels. I can move all the levels together, such as in this manner. I can move a little bit together. But if you want to move the single levels, then simply you have to click it to the 3D. You have to simply click it here. It will move. It will become 2D. Then after that you can move individual levels, such as in this manner. Now again 3D is present here, so click it as 2D. Now you can move in this manner. You can move individual levels here. Similarly here, if you will click it here, I have shown you how to change the name as well as how to change the distances. Okay, because if you need to change this distance, simply you have to change this distance as well, then it will automatically get change. After that, as you can see here, checkbox is present. Hide bubble, as you can see here, hide bubble. The bubble which is present, that gets hidden automatically by pressing this. Similarly, I will show you in the down level. If you click it here, if the elbow is present here, if you click it here, it will get moved to the down level in this manner. Even we can move now this one to a little bit downer portion as well. Simply I can move this elbow. I can change the elbow in this manner as well, or I can change the elbow in the top manner or in this manner as well. Let me do one thing. Let me move the elbow in this manner. Okay, so I can change the shape of the elbow. So now let me make it as 3D. After that, as you can see here, there is also this box. As soon as you click one level, this box arises. If you will click in this box, it will show you the bubble in this side also. That is in if you will uncheck it, then it will remove the bubble in this side. In this manner, you can change all the level lines, or you can do the modification of the level lines. Let me click it here and let me undo it. After that, you can click in the 3D or 2D. In this manner, you can change it. After that, you can click in one line, and you can, after that, you can click the single line, and you can right click it, and you can right click it, and after right clicking it, you can click on the maximize 3D extent, or right click it, maximize 3D extent. Okay, so let me do one thing. let me again, as you can see here, let me move this. Let see, you will click it here. After that you will drag this point to this level. As soon as I'll drag it here, it will automatically gets shifted from 2D through the 3D. Similarly, you can click this line, you can drag it to this point, automatically it will get changed to 3D. This is how we can change the line, individual lines from the 2D to the 3D. And this is hope this is clear to all of you. Simply you can click in this lock also, and after clicking in this lock, the line also gets, see, now if I will not change to 2D, then also the line, I can change the length of this line. Now I can again lock it. So hope in this manner also we can unlock each line. Similarly, we can unlock each line and we can move it. Similarly, suppose lock is present here, if we'll unlock it, then also we can increase the length of the single line, or else you can simply click and make it to from 3D to the 2D. So hope it's clear to all of you how to make the changes in the levels. So if there is any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it, and if you like the video, then please press the like button, and thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.